Welcome to my channel Flights Assistance, exciting updates from Airbus. Airbus, a global leader in aerospace manufacturing, has consistently made headlines with groundbreaking innovations and strategic developments. Here are 10 of the most exciting updates from Airbus. 1. Introduction of the A321XLR. The Airbus A321XLR, extra long range, is revolutionizing single-aisle aviation with its ability to fly up to 4,700 nautical miles. This aircraft enables airlines to expand long-haul routes using narrow-body planes, offering enhanced fuel efficiency and comfort. 2. Progress on zero-emission aircraft. Airbus is leading the charge towards sustainability with its Zero program. This initiative focuses on developing hydrogen-powered aircraft by 2035, showcasing Airbus's commitment to achieving net zero emissions in aviation. 3. Record-breaking orders. Airbus recently secured significant orders during major air shows like the Paris Air Show and Dubai Air Show. Notable deals include Indigo's order of 500 A320 family aircraft, marking the largest single purchase in aviation history. 4. A350 freighter launch. To tap into the booming cargo market, Airbus launched the A350 freighter. Combining efficiency, range, and capacity, it's set to challenge Boeing's dominance in the freight segment. Major airlines like Singapore Airlines and CMA-CGM Air Cargo have already placed orders. 5. Enhanced cabin features. Airbus is redefining passenger comfort with innovations like the aerospace cabin. This design includes larger overhead bins, customizable lighting, and improved air filtration, enhancing the travel experience across the A320neo, A330neo, and A350 families. 6. Expansion in urban air mobility. Airbus is actively developing its City Airbus Next Gen, an electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft. This marks Airbus's entry into the urban air mobility market, targeting sustainable and efficient transportation for shorter distances. 7. Advancements in digital solutions. Airbus's Skywise platform is transforming airline operations through predictive maintenance and data-driven insights. This digital ecosystem helps airlines optimize fleet performance, reduce costs, and improve efficiency. 8. Focus on sustainability initiatives. Beyond aircraft, Airbus is investing in sustainable aviation fuel, SAF partnerships, and eco-friendly manufacturing processes. Collaborations with energy companies and airports aim to accelerate the adoption of SAF across the industry. 9. Collaborations and partnerships. Airbus has entered strategic partnerships, such as its collaboration with Air France-KLM on SAF usage and joint ventures with companies like Rolls-Royce to develop next-generation propulsion systems. 10. Global market expansion. Airbus continues to strengthen its footprint in emerging markets like Asia-Pacific, the Middle East, and Africa. The growing demand for efficient aircraft has made these regions key drivers of Airbus's growth strategy. Conclusion. Airbus's commitment to innovation, sustainability, and customer-centric solutions keeps it at the forefront of the aerospace industry. With exciting developments like the A321XLR, Zero program, and A350 freighter, Airbus is shaping the future of aviation, ensuring it's not only efficient, but also environmentally friendly. Stay tuned for more transformative updates from this industry leader. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.